Hi everyone, Alex with Tucker USA, and in this video I wanted to discuss our new carbon fiber extendable goosenecks. This one in particular is our 12 to 16 inch gooseneck. You can see these are now extendable. This video will also apply to the 16 to 27 inch and the 23 to 36 inch gooseneck. And what we're going to do in this video is just show you how to utilize it, use it with your pole. Now this will go, we have right here our Tucker Jr., but this will go with our entire pole line. So we have here our pole that has the standard gooseneck that it comes with it. And what you want to do is pull off an excessive amount of hose. We're going to detach your brush. And also we're going to unscrew the brush from this gooseneck. And then you'll see here we have here's the Euro tip, the removable Euro tip that screws onto the gooseneck. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that there. Going back to our carbon fiber gooseneck, simply you will take your pole tubing that you already have running through your pole and connect it to the union here and attach it. And we're going to pull the slack out. I'm going to set it down for a second. And then you can simply slide that in, tighten it up. Then you get your brush again. In this case, we're using our standard size dual trim 2 pencil jet model. Might be easier if you disconnect this T at first and simply screw this on. Reconnect your teeth, then also go into the hose that goes to your pole tubing. And there you go. You now have your gooseneck ready to go. So if you have any questions about our carbon fiber goosenecks, feel free to reach out to us. Our number here is 303-663-1779, or you can reach out through our website at www.tuckerusa.com. Thank you.